guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY fidget. Today you'll be needing a balloon and some foam and scissors. And also, I don't know where the rubber band is actually.
Hi, I'm her sister, so yeah.
Yeah, I think we lost the rubber band. So.
Oh, right there.
Oh, okay. Here's now we just if you want to tie yours, you can tie yours.
Or you can
use a rubber band.
just tie it with the balloon or a rubber band.
Yeah.
Anything you know.
Right now I feel like not tying it.
Here is the rubber band we're using.
So you have to cut it. You have to cut the thing. Cut the foam. And try to make it fit inside the balloon. You can use any kind of foam. Any kind of foam that you like.
So guys, I'm gonna be doing this with her.
So yeah, I'll tell you when we're gonna come back when we're all finished.